How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And this episode is very simple. We're just gonna check the difference between stock headers, aftermarket headers, and then the wrap on the headers. So I've been driving these cars for like 20 minutes. They're fully warmed up. They are on the right temperature. So we have a gun in here. If you can see on the shield, right where the hand is, right in the middle, right there, 160, 100, almost 170. On the bottom, 180, 160, around 170, 150, and all the way around. So the heat shield works. If we aim the gun to the bolts right there, you can see how hot it is on the bolts. 300, 300, 300. So this is the stock headers with the stock shield. So that one is doing his job. What happens when you go to aftermarket? Where there is no paint, 445, 440, 420, 450. So on the bottom right there is 398, almost 400. In here on top, 450. Right there, 400. So if you can see right there, there is some difference on the paint. Where there is no paint, it's really hot, and where I paint the headers, you can see there is some difference on the temperature. Not a lot of difference if you can tell. 440, 450, but there is some difference. Not a lot, but there is some difference. Now these cars, you can see the difference between stock, aftermarket, which put a lot more heat into your engine. But if you can see right here, definitely we need to do something about this because it's way too hot. And this is the stock shield. So the shield actually is doing his job. Next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the headers again, downpipe too, because the downpipe goes all the way across from the oil pan. So I wanted to wrap the downpipe, I wanted to wrap the headers, and then when I see what kind of difference on the temperature of the headers on this vehicle. If you see, fully warm up, you see the temperature on the wrap. I think it's even hotter than just paint on headers, because obviously the wrap gets hot. Hopefully it keeps more hot air inside. But you see the footage, fully warm up. You see the temperature is a little bit higher than before. You see the difference between the shield, the stock shield paint on headers, no paint on headers because I have the little part with no paint, and then wrap. You see this footage between stock, aftermarket, and wrap, and then you can decide what you want to do to your vehicle. Now let's check the bottom. You can see here, this part is not really hot. That's the oil pan. Not really hot yet. There is no wrap. $290 and $235 where there is wrap. There you have it. You can make your own conclusions on this. Obviously it's gonna look a lot better, it's gonna last longer. I don't have to paint them no more. And I think this is my last thing that I'm gonna do to the headers. Obviously it's hot, but I mean, don't do that, okay? I'm just trying to see how hot it is. But you see all the footage. Make your decision if you wanna go aftermarket or you wanna stay with your stock headers. Obviously this is something that I did because I already have aftermarket headers. Obviously the lighter is not heavy as the stock system because all my system is really light, but at the same time you trade weight with heat and performance. So I don't know, that's up to you guys. So you make your conclusion on what you want to do with yours. If you want to keep trying paints, ceramic coat, stay stock, or do wrap, that's gonna be up to you. But you see the footage. This is gonna be it for this one. I'm really excited that my headers finally they're gonna look good, and I love the wrap, don't get me wrong, I love it, but I don't know what kind of performance I'm gonna get from it. So guys, I leave you with that, and finally we had some better looks inside the hood. So obviously you guys know I have my hood risers, so all the hot air is coming out from here, from this part. So guys, I leave it with that. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.